Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to put a handle on a mug or cup or tankard or whatever. So we'll make the tankard first. We'll start with a circle. We'll just make it any size we like. Pull, move it a bit. That should do it. Then we'll use the shell tool up here. We've got one, we'll make that 2 millimeters. Return, click. Right. I've got a rudimentary cup shape there. Now we're going to select the center line, press the X key and we'll get a section. V key, there's our section. And we're going to choose over here the spline in the sketch panel. Select that. I'm going to start in the middle of this thickness here, not on the outside, in the middle, or about here, and we'll make some sort of handle shape and end in the middle. And don't close it, because if you do, it'll turn into a surface rather than stay a line. Want it to stay as a line, then escape key. Oh, what a terrible handle. Never mind. Now we'll go to D for design mode. Select the select tool, select the line we've drawn in space. Then the cylinder in the insert panel. And we move it until it's roughly the shape we want. 1.31. Right. There we go. And notice it's still one solid. It's merged itself. So if we select the pull tool, we can select this corner here. Then control click this one. And if we like, we can control click this sharp corner in here. And then type 1 millimeter radius for them all. Deselect, and we've got a nice radius in there, and we've got a nice radius there. There you go. H. We've got our cup, mug or tankard. We don't want sharp corners here, of course, so we could easily select that, control select the other one, give that one as well, 1. We've got a nice circle around here. We could have put bevels on if we'd chosen a different one down here, but I think that will be kinder to your lips. Change its colour, of course, display, even change the luster and make it a metallic. Finish, medium gloss. What would be a nice shade? Slightly silver. There we go. There's our tankard. You can make this rather more decorative than a cylinder, just make a different shape. You could concave it by using a profile and then rotating the profile into a cylinder. But that's the principle of putting a handle on a cylinder. Hope that might be useful to you and interesting. As an afterthought, I thought I'd decorate this mug, and what better than a picture of my mug there This is what I've done on Photoshop. So I've saved that as a bitmap. So what we could do is we go to File, here's the bitmap. Okay, so we dump it on. I'll square this up a little bit. I'm going to put it just here. Oh, got to do the wraparound. There we go, that's a wraparound. Just so I get the text to the left of the handle there. Now it doesn't fill it. So I'm going to select the mug. And now we see we've got handles here. Little blue handles. So I think it's Shift and it remains in the right ratio, so yeah, there we go. I'll have to turn it a bit. Select mug. Where's the handles gone? Interesting. Select, then select the picture. Right, there. Now that of course hasn't filled the hole, so we'll do another one. Bitmap. Wrap. And we can do the same. Just fit it in there to the bottom. Then select mug, shift and drag that. Oh dear. It has it has disappeared. But we've still got it up here. Isn't that strange? Control Z. It's back. Shift. It's got back. There we are. My mug with my mug on it. I hope you found that interesting and useful. Bye.